The purpose of this video demonstration is to show how to update and edit the curriculum within a proposal. First, you're going to log on to Curriculog. You're going to select New Proposal. Scroll down to the form that best fits. For this video demonstration, I'm going to do an undergraduate revised program. So you're going to hover over the form, go over to the arrow, and click Start Proposal. The first step is to turn on the help text. Go through each step. So choose if it's a program or shared core. It's most likely going to be a program, so always choose that. If you need help with that, you can reach out to the Curriculog team. Next, you're going to select what you're changing. So here we're going to change the curriculum. The next step is to import the curriculum data from the catalog. Scroll up, click the import function, click the catalog, and you're going to choose the program. Unclick here because it's not going to pull up anything that's previously been imported. So you can select different types of filters. We're going to try doing it by name, and then click searching for available curriculum. And it's going to bring up the degrees that are related to that. Select. All the options have already been selected, so click Import this item. Now you'll see that all the information about the program is now here. You have the program name, ID, all the description, where it belongs. Next, you're going to revise. If you're revising the program name or the program description, you're going to do that up here because this area feeds back into the catalog. But for anything else, you're going to revise down below. So for this one, we are going to do the curriculum. Just make sure you answer each of the questions here. I'm going to skip through those. So when you get to the curriculum, right here are all the courses that are associated with the program. If you want to add a new course into the program, you can import it if it's already an existing course, or if it's a brand new course that you're adding, you're going to add that here. So click Import Course, choose the catalog, and for courses you want to sort by prefix. So if you're wanting to import a CEPD course, type that here, make sure to uncheck here, and click Search Available Curriculum. Choose the course that you're wanting to import, select it. If you're wanting to select multiple courses, you can do that. If you want to unselect, you'll have to go down here and remove what you don't want. So it shows that our selected courses are here, so you're going to add that course to the proposal. So you'll now see that it appears in the list of courses. Now you have to choose where you want that course to appear. So you're going to click here, and you want that to include in Core Area F. So you're going to list the course here. This is a shared core, so we actually have to go back up to the top and change that option to shared core. Now you're going to add that course here. So we selected Core Area F. We're going to click Add Courses, and here's the list of courses that you can choose from. You will now see that the CEPD 2102 that we added on the list of courses is here. Select that course, click Add Course, and now you'll see that that course is listed with all of the other courses. Click Save Changes. Now you're able to go through all the other steps. Just make sure all of the fields that have an asterisk beside them are answered. Make sure you attach any documentation that's needed. To attach, you just scroll back up to the top, choose the Files button, and click Choose File and Upload. After you've uploaded and answered all the questions, you can then launch it. After you launch, you'll also have to make a decision. So to go back and retrack, first add the course here, and then add it into the curriculum. So if it's under core area F, you add that there for that option.